Hi there! In this lesson, we will be going over single sign-on. Single sign-on, or SSO for short, is a system whereby a user can log into multiple sites or applications with one set of credentials. After watching this video, you will be able to set up single sign-on with ThinkingCAP as either an identity or service provider. Let's get started. To begin, log into ThinkingCAP with full admin privileges. From the hamburger menu in the top left, expand Security. Click on Single Sign-On. The modal window opens on the General Settings tab. Here you can choose to hide the built-in login page and gather missing non-required metadata at login. Single sign-on setup is branch-specific. More than one can be set up per branch. Select the LMS as Service Provider tab. If ThinkingCAP is set up as the service provider, the learner data is coming from outside the LMS. The data being sent to ThinkingCAP is then used to allow users to log in. This could be Google, Facebook, or something specific to your organization. This tab will show a list of authentication providers on the branch. Click on Add Authentication Provider. On the Authentication Provider settings page, first select your authentication type from the drop-down. SAML is the most commonly used. Other information that is set on this page includes the login page name, a description, an icon for the login page, and whether the SSO uses provisioning. After adding an authentication provider type, you will be asked for connection information specific to that type. Back on the single sign-on page, select the LMS as Identity Provider tab. This option is used if ThinkingCAP is the identity provider, which is a service that stores and verifies the user's identity. There is an option to enable Identity Provider. This allows ThinkingCAP to be the identity provider. Admins are asked to fill in more information. The only option for the IDP type dropdown, short for Identity Provider, is SAML. The following settings are included on this page: provider name, if you'd like a signed SAML 2.0 authentication request. If you'd like a signed SAML 2.0 logout request. Uploading the IDP signing certificate, entering the IDP signing certificate password, uploading the IDP public key, determining if the signing algorithm is SHA-1 or SHA-256. The single sign-on and single logout URLs are provided here. You will need an IDP signing certificate and an IDP public key before setting up SSO. Click on the Service Providers tab, where the service providers on the branch are listed, along with a button to add new ones. That is how you can set up single sign-on. Thank you for watching.